Lift your hand just like so. Move it around and say hello. Hello, hello. How are you? Hello, hello. It's good to see you. I say hello. I'm happy that you came. I say hello. Please tell me, please tell me, please tell me your name. Hello, I'm Justin. Look. Aha! This is my parrot. Hello, parrot.
Hello, Justin.
I've got a clever parrot. My parrot's learnt to speak. She doesn't have a mouth to talk. She has to use her beak. She doesn't quack or roar or grunt or cuckoo. But if you say hello to her, she'll say hello to you. Hello, parrot.
Hello, Justin.
Ah, look. More birds. Here are some swans. Look at their long necks. Here's an owl. Look at his big, wide eyes. And here's a penguin. Penguins standing on rocks. And penguins swimming underwater. And here's a parrot. Look at his colourful feathers. Lots of different birds. Ah, look. Owl. You sign owl. Oh, look. Owl. Ah, look. Swan. You sign swan. Look. Swan. Ah, look. Penguin. You sign penguin. Look. Penguin. Ah, look. Parrot. You sign parrot. Look. Parrot. Lots of different birds. Some birds fly, some birds walk, some birds sing, some birds squawk, and some birds even talk. But a bird's a bird if it's covered in feathers from its tail to its top. I'm an owl with two big eyes. I am clever and I am wise. From way up high, it's you I spy. And if you hear a twit-to-woo, it was you that I was talking to. Twit-to-woo. Ah, I'm a swan. My neck is long, and in the water I glide along. It looks so easy when I swim, but underneath the water my legs are really paddling. Paddling. Some birds fly, some birds walk, some birds sing, some birds squawk, and some birds even talk. But a bird's a bird if it's covered in feathers from its tail to its top. I'm a penguin, and I just waddle, hello, from side to side. I really wobble. And waddling penguins, well, we cannot fly. But I wonder if you've heard, in the water we're the fastest bird. alive. Aha! I'm a parrot.
I'm a parrot.
And I repeat everything you say. And when I speak with my strong beak, I'm really, really noisy, so give me lots of fruit to eat. Some birds fly, some birds walk, some birds sing, some birds squawk, and some birds even talk. But a bird's a bird if it's covered in feathers from its tail to its top. I liked singing that song with lots of different birds. My friends went to see lots of different birds. Look. I wonder what kind of birds they will find first. These birds have got long pink legs and lots of pink feathers. They're called flamingos. This bird's got blue feathers and great feet for climbing. Do you know what it is? Yes, it's a parrot. This parrot's called Noddy, and he's come to say hello to my friends. That's right, Luke. He's a bird. Watch him spread his wings. Wow! What's Noddy doing now, I wonder? He's using his feet and beak to climb up high. What else does Noddy like doing, Megan? Eating peanuts! Most of all, though, Noddy the parrot likes saying hello to my friends. Do you know what sort of bird this is?
Owl.
It's an owl.
Owl does and live in the night.
And then it comes out at night time, doesn't it?
That's right, Luke. Owls come out at night time. How do his feathers feel, James? They must feel very soft. Whisper the owl likes being stroked by my friends. That's right, Dominic. Stroke him gently. Now, Kaylee's saying hello to Whisper.
Oh, let's go, Kaylee. Well done, that's Whisper.
Those feathers must tickle, Christopher. Everyone likes saying hello to Whisper the owl. Look at this bird with a big beak.
Hello, bird.
It's a toucan. This one's got a very colourful beak. Listen to this bird. It's called a kookaburra. What a funny sound. My friends are laughing, and so is the kookaburra. Look, my friends are flapping their wings and flying all the way home. Bye-bye, everyone. My friends saw some beautiful birds. Look, it's Mr. Tumble. Mr. Tumble, Mr. Tumble.
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello.
Are you reading a book, Mr. Tumble?
Yes.
What's your book about?
Parrots.
Parrots, Mr. Tumble.
Yes, parrots.
Do you like parrots, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, yes, I like parrots.
Would you like to be a parrot?
Oh, yes. Aha. Wait.
Oh, wow, Mr. Tumble. You look just like a parrot.
Yes.
I like your beautiful feathers.
Oh, yes! My feathers are beautiful! Thank you!
Can you walk like a parrot?
Oh, yes!
Can we walk like a parrot as well, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, yes! Come on!
That was fun. Can you squawk like a parrot?
Oh, yes!
Can we squawk like a parrot as well, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, yes! Come on!
That was fun, Mr. Tumble. Can you fly like a parrot?
Oh, yes!
Oh dear, Mr. Tumble. You can't fly.
No!
But wait, Mr. Tumble. Parrots have wings. You need wings.
Wings?
Yes, wings.
Aha! Woohoo!
I like your wings, Mr. Tumble.
Thank you!
Now let's see if you can fly.
Ooh!
Oh dear, Mr. Tumble. You can't be a parrot because you still can't fly. Maybe you could be another bird instead.
Aha! Wait! Look! I'm a bird that doesn't fly!
A bird that doesn't fly?
Yes! I'm a penguin!
Oh yes, penguins don't fly. Can you walk like a penguin, Mr. Tumble?
Yes!
Can we walk like a penguin as well, Mr. Tumble?
Oh, yes! Come on!
I like your penguin, Mr. Tumble.
Thank you!
Bye-bye, Mr. Tumble.
Bye-bye! I liked your penguin, Mr. Tumble. Mr. Tumble is funny. It's time to say goodbye. Lift your hand and hold it high. Give it a wave and say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to run. Goodbye, goodbye. I hope you had good fun. I say goodbye. I'm happy that you came. I say goodbye. Please come back. Please come back. Please come back again. Goodbye.